purposes. 1. To provide a concrete or convinced light in the dark. 2. Less waste light and most useful lumens. 3. Help people feel safe and can help to reduce crime. 4. Reduces the accident rate during night. 5. Provide an alternative light for the family during natural disasters.
Benefits. First, conserve using electric energy or electricity. Second, helps prevent dangerous pollutants. Third, decreases the danger of electric shock. Fourth, can be used for a long period of time. Fifth, less expensive and can save money.
Materials: 3 watts and 6 volts solar panel, TP4056 board, lithium-ion battery, 9013 transistor, 2.2K ohms with 1/4 watts, resistor, 1N 4001 diode, 3 watts LEDs, and wires.
Process. Connect the wire of the solar panel to the TP4056 board, while the negative wire is also connected to the board using a diode. Put the negative wire on the out, while the positive wire is placed on B+. Connect the wire to the resistor. While it is connected to the wire, put the 3 LED bulb on the resistor and add a wire that will connect the battery.
Casing. Finally, this is the outcome of our solar night lamp prototype.
Testing. As the solar panel detects light from the sun, the LED bulb will not light up. Instead, it will turn on automatically when there is no light from the sun or when it's dark. You can tell that the solar night lamp is low on battery by observing its behavior during at night. If the lamp is dimmer than usual or it is flickering, it is a sign that the battery is running low. Another indication is that the lamp may stop working solar night lamp started to become dimmer after 11 hours of continuous use. To determine if the solar night lamp is fully charged, you may notice that the light output of the lamp becomes brighter. After exposing the solar panel to the sunlight for 3 hours, the solar night lamp returned to how bright it was before, and it can last longer once it was fully charged. The solar night lamp has a light coverage area of 1.5 times 1.8 meters or 2.7 square meters, and it can emit 3,135 lux of light. We measured the coverage area with a measuring tape and a light meter application that was utilized to determine the light